Jdcap26 here, Jdcap26 Peter and Hobbies, and we just took the supports off this model, and we're going to put it together, hopefully. So let's put that over there. Let's start with his feet. That's that one. Hard to tell. Hard to tell which is which. I think that's it's that side. Put more glue in there. Kind of gotta fill it up like that. And stand them up like that. I'm gonna figure out these hands. They actually go, there's no actually pin in there or anything. They're not pinned, so you have to put them together like this. Hopefully. Gotta hold them together for a little while. See what I'm doing here? And then just put it down. It looks like this goes like that. So we'll put a little glue on there. This is the well-done glue that I always use. Okay. It's a little bit too much. Let it drip. And just like that. Oops. I fall down. I'm going to get this together before it tacks up like that. And there's a shield here. I think the shield goes on the back of them. Hopefully. It does. Oops. Kind of butterfingers here. I hope you guys and girls are doing good today. I hope you haven't started a day that is positive and everything else. That goes on the back like that. I'm gonna have to lay him down. I'm gonna lay him down like that. This has got to dry for a little while, so we'll get back to you soon. Okay, so we're back here. We're gonna put his head on. This darn glue, I gotta stick it with a. You gotta have a paper clip on hand, a big one, to get the glue flowing again. Take one of these, spread it around. Like that. my big fat hand in the way. Yeah, he's a pretty neat looking guy. If anybody knows the name of this guy, put it in the comments below. Okay. It figures. Trying to do too much at once. Got to hold the figure together like this. She might be with me for a while. Again, these are going to be donated to a charity to raise money for the food bank. So please rate, subscribe, and share. And give the thumbs up. Let's see if we can do this side. You got to line up his head to the arm. Actually, his head goes like that. Again, we have to put more glue on. We want to get this just right. You know, just like that. Yeah, I'm not having a good time here. Gotta hold it like that till it adheres to itself. I hope you're doing some kind of project today yourself. Be nice if you did. Okay, so that's what he looks like. He's going to go on the pedestal. Please rate and subscribe. I'll do a short on this. And we'll see you in the next video. And don't forget the thumbs up.